Hey, what's up everyone? This is Tactical Dad here from the Pacific Northwest. I'm just gonna do a quick update on my two pistols, the Walther PDP with the Holosun 508T and the Smith & Wesson MP9 2.0 special edition with the Delta Point Pro. So yeah, they're both sighted in. I got it done today, and I'm just gonna do a quick comparison of it. Both have shot well. This one, no issues. I mean, I did a break-in already of it, and I'm comfortable using this as my winter EDC. And this has run through about maybe 250 rounds through, and maybe one or two misfeeds. Other than that, I think it's still running great for a new pistol. So I'll get more confident with this eventually. So they're both sighted in. It shoots really well. So I'll do a red dot comparison. So with the Holosun and the PDP, one thing I do notice, the Holosun 508T versus the Delta Point, the red dot of the Holosun 508T is actually a little cleaner than the Delta Point. For the Delta Point, there's a little starburst effect on it, but nothing that's really going to hinder me from doing what I want to do. It does pop up well when you're looking through it. I'm just stating the comparison of the two. As far as which one looks clearer, a red dot, this one right here, 508T. And also one thing I want to note is the view sight for the 508T versus the Delta Point. The Delta Point has a slightly bigger window viewing for it, so better red dot clarity. This one has better sighting on it to view in it. As far as make on it, both are really great, but I think for more rugged wise, I would go with the Delta Point Pro. One thing I do notice is the Holosun would sit a little lower versus the Delta Point Pro, which sits a little higher. So to me, this right here witnesses better versus the Delta Point over here, even if I have the higher sights, higher suppressor sights for this right here. So other than that, not too bad. It's two really great pistols, two really great red dots. So they're all sighted in, ready to go. Thanks for watching, and yep, have a good one.
Always shoot too much to the left?
Yeah. You see all those bones how to the left?
Yeah.
Latin 3D, that's like a macro cell.
Yeah.
That's outdoors.
Okay.
In the